You know what? I think I'm gonna go to the mall today, to get a cool Lego set. Okay, I finally got my Lego set and the move. Oh, who's on my computer? Donuts. Yes, I would like to buy a lot of those donuts. Yes, I'll definitely order them. Cause I'm Homer Simpson. Yeah. Hey! Oh no! What are you doing in my room, Homer Simpson? I'm right now just trying to buy some donuts and food because I'm hungry. Well, I don't really like that much. I don't really like donuts to begin with. Bro, you already got like two desserts, a drink, and a hot dog right here. You probably like ate the first hot dog too. You only had two. Of course I did. I'm Homer Simpson. No, he's dead. What are you even doing here? It's my room. It's not your room, Homer. Hold up. It's not your room, Homer. Literally, I was about to build something here too. Really? What are you going to build? Well, I was going to build this awesome Back to the Future DeLorean Lego set. You want to watch me build it? Well, sure. Alright then. Okay. Oops. Thankfully, I also got my favorite type of movies ever, specifically Ghostbusters 2. But yeah, now back, or not really back, but now I'm to build this cool Lego set I just now bought.
Hey, shit!
Wow, man, this looks so cool. Thank you so much, Homer, for being there. No problemo, John Egbert. I'm not Peter Griffin, I'm Homer Simpson. Man, what a goofy fellow. Anyways, I'm gonna finally watch the movie I've been really wanting to watch the entire time. If I can pick it up. Ghostbusters, specifically the second movie. Yes, I love this movie. Okay, let me just turn off the lights. Just grab my disc. Okay. Drop it in there. Wow, I can't believe the movie's actually working. Pretty crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna watch it with my best friends right here.
Guys, don't leave waffles on your computer.
Hi, Vriska. Anyways, I'm gonna go watch this movie now. Oh yeah.